Alright guys, today's topic is going to be about the present perfect. Present perfect, we are going to divide it, split it in three different forms: affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. Okay, so first thing we're gonna talk about affirmative form. Okay, alright, this is the formula that we're gonna follow. Okay, which is gonna start with the subject, uh, the plus the auxiliary have or has, all depends about the person that you're using, plus the past participle of the main verb, plus the complement. Okay, and we're gonna see an example here, down here. I have been to France. Okay, we have I have been to France. That means that I have the experience of being to France. Okay, I don't know how many times. Could be 3 times, could be just 2 times or once, but I have the experience of being in France. Okay, so I have been to France. As we can see, we got the subject right here, which is the first person of singular I, and we also have the auxiliary have. Okay, and we have the past participle, which is been, and the complement, which is to France. All right, I have been to France. Okay, I have the experience to be in France. Okay, could be 3, 4, 1. Okay, 1 time. All right. So as you can see, the complement to France. That's the complement. Okay. Now, but we have to remember that the infinitive, the main verb, is in this case the verb to be, and its past participle is the form that we call been. Okay, been. That's why we are using been, and that's the past participle of the verb to be. All right. Now we're gonna see another example, but this is in the negative form. Negative form, as you see it. All right, negative form. So we have, this is the formula that we're gonna use, and it says it starts with subject, as you see, plus the auxiliary have and the word not, which is gonna be the negation word, or we also can use has plus the word not. All depends about the person that you're using. Okay, plus the past participle and the complement. All right, so we're gonna see an example down here. Before we can use have, or we can use have not or haven't, or we can use has and hasn't or hasn't. That's a full form and short form. Okay, it's a contraction. Okay, now we have an example. Like I say, I have not been to France. I have not been to France. I haven't had the experience of being to France. Okay, I haven't had the experience. Never. Okay, so the subject that you can see is still the same. The first person singular, which is I myself. Right now, so we still use the auxiliary have and the word not, as you see it. Okay, plus the past participle, which is still the same, being, and the complement, which still is the same, to France. Okay, but remember, we also can use, instead of have not, we can change that for haven't. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna change the form. We're gonna talk about interrogative form. Okay, when we make questions by using this tense, right? And we're gonna start with this formula right here, which is in the bottom. All right, and we're gonna start now. We swap it. Okay, we change the order, and we start with the auxiliary have, or we can use the auxiliary has. All depends. Remember about the subject, the person that you're using. If you use he, you have to use the auxiliary has. If you use she, it still has. It has. But if you use I, we use have. Use you use have. And if you use we or they, you're still using have. Okay. Plus the subject, plus the past participle, plus the complement, and don't forget about the question mark at the end. Alright, so we're gonna see an example down here. As you see it, we have I been to France? Have I been to France? Have I had the experience being to France? Alright, so that's a question. I don't know if I've been to France or not. Okay, so that's the question form. And as you can see, we have the auxiliary have, and we have the same person, first person I, and we have the past participle plus the complement, all right? And don't forget the question mark, like I said a while ago. All right, guys. So pretty much this is it, all right?